Okay, short movie for Veronica on account of the pigs are almost finished shedding, which happens so fast. Lucibald, my Lucibald pig. And they like help because it's itsy. I know, baby, we'll get rid of those fuzzers. Look at those bristles. Oh, disappearing bristles. See bristles? No, no bristles. Oh, sweetheart. Almost done with this. I know. Oh. I know, Lucibald. Lucibald. Oh, not a hair left on your chinny chin chin. Well, there's plenty left on your chinny chin chin. I'm not sure those come off. Oh, big shed. I think those are all either new ones or they're not coming out today. How does that feel? Oh, my sweet girl. Poodle? Very hot. Poodle? Very hot. Other poodle. Clara? Clara boo. Alright, Luce. That's enough of a movie. Because our Wi-Fi is working for shit. Alright, there you go. Scratching of pigs. Something to do in 90-degree weather. Oh, don't even recognize you. Uh-oh. Cat balance beam falling over. Oh, good, running out of batteries. Miggy the Dick. Show how you walk all bald. Shaved. Miggy the Dick.